Good day, viewers. My name is Austin Ejiofor. I am the Business Development Manager of P1 Royal. Today, I want to officially unveil the level of development in our wonderful choicest estate, Excel Gardens Phase 2. Excel Gardens Phase 2 is directly opposite LaCampagne Tropicana, as you can see, directly opposite LaCampagne Tropicana, which is the most expensive and sought after resort beaches in Lagos. This is the level of development. As you can see, our gatehouse is undergoing construction. This is the level right now, and it's so attractive. And as you can see, clearing is ongoing. And this is the gatehouse. So lovely and wonderful. So what are you waiting for? If you have not yet subscribed to this wonderful estate, please do that as soon as possible. We are selling for just 3 million naira, and that is for outright. 3 million naira for 600 square meters, and 300 square meters is 1.5 million naira, and 450 square meters is 2,250,000 naira. What are you waiting for? Subscribe now that the price is very affordable. It is barely 10 minutes drive from the famous Dangote Refinery. And as we keep on adding value to this wonderful estate, the price will keep on appreciating. The property keeps on appreciating while the price will keep on increasing. Do just one thing for yourself right now. Subscribe into Excel Garden Phase 2, and I promise you it's an investment that can never go wrong. Welcome to the life of investment. Welcome to a secured future. Welcome to P1 Royal, where your royalty is sure. God bless you. We'll see you at the office.